Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So today I will talk about the screenshot, how we can take a screenshot. I have already explained in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. But in this series I will talk about how to take a failure, or if you are running your scripts, so that time how you can capture the screenshot and as well as the video. So first I will talk about the screenshot capture in the Playwright. It's provide a built-in features so to capture. So this is screenshot you can see on the browser page during the testing execution time. A screenshot is a static image of the web page at a specific moment in the time. So first question comes in our mind, how it works. So when a test runs, Playwright control a real browser instance. If we are running the Chrome browser, Firefox or WebKit, so any point during the execution, it can freeze the current visual state of the page and save it as an image file. So there is different type of screenshot captures. We can do it like manual screenshot. Automatic screenshot means to automate the screenshot, we can do it. So when developer explicitly ask about the tester to the capture screenshot, so they can easily debugging or visually verification at the specific steps. They can do it like all these steps very easily to figure it out what is the exactly root cause of that failure of the scripts. So and also the automatic screenshot is like capture the screenshot automatically based on the configuration. Commonly is triggered on the test failure or every test execution depending on the settings. So I will tell you where we can do these settings. The purpose of screenshot to debug test failure, visual validation of the UI, so these evidence of test execution states, and also how we can capture the video or in the Playwright. So first, Playwright can record a video for the entire browser session during the test execution. This video captures every action performed in the browser in the real time, and how it's work when video recording is enabled. That I will show you in the configuration file. Like I will open and I will show you where we can do these settings. So you will easily understand that how you can capture the screenshot, how you can capture the recording video. So if the test is passed or failed, every steps it will show in the screenshot, and also as well as it's recording the video. So the recording is saved in the video file that I will show you, which is like usually stored in the test result. And the main concept is like to sometime we have to use the browser context, or Playwright attached a video record to the context. So these kind of things happen when we take the screenshot and video recording. So I will show you how you can configuration in the configuration file this screenshot and video. So let me open, it's already open my Visual Studio, and I'll go playwright.config.js file you should open, and here you can see the trace on first retry. So this is already set, the trace will on first retry. And underneath this, what we can do, we have to write the screenshot and this, and I have to write in the double colon. So you will get the more option here. You can see off. If you want to your screenshot off, you can select the off. Like you don't want to be take any screenshot, you only want to be video, like record all the test steps or failure test steps, so you can on only the video. So that time you can off the screenshot, or you can on the screenshot whenever you will execute any test scripts, or the failure will happen. It will on the screenshot and it will take all the steps of the failure test. And there is a on first failure, means if it is failure first time, it will capture the screenshot only. Only on failure, when it will failure only when the script is failed, like failure, then that time it will capture the screenshot. On first failure means when you execute your test script, if it is failed first time, that it will take a screenshot. So now I'm going to choose on, because I want to take a screenshot of each text execution, whether it's a test is pass or failed. So, and now after that I want to take a video of each steps when I will execute our code. So so here you will get the same option, off, on first retry, retain on failure. There is few options different, like retain on failure, retry with the video. So these options are different, means if I want to off the video while execution time, on the video off while execution time, on first retry, or retain on the failure, only retry with the video. So as per your requirement you can select any option. So I'm going to select only the on, because I want to capture all the steps of text execution time. So this two property you have to set in the playwright.configuration.js file. So now under this trace, so now I'm going to on screenshot and video as well. So, and after that save it. Sometime it is not reflecting when you're not saving it. And after that I have to create a new file. So I am giving here the name of the file is recording.spec.js. So this is my file name, and I want to, let me take a, okay, so I want to open this application, Ctrl+C, in the browser. I want to open this application in the browser like this. This one, the first. And here you can see like home, contact, about us, cart, login, sign up. So I have already one user and password for this. So I'm just giving here So I'm just providing the username, password, and click on the login. And you can see here welcome, and this is my username. and after that it's a, if I click on the logout, it will log out. So this is a simple application. When I will click on this login, it will pop up one this kind of window, and here this is asking for username and password, and after that the login. Once I will log in, it will show up here the sign up. Now right now you can see here. So instead of showing the sign up, it will, because I have already signed login, so it will show the username here, and after that once it will show the username here, and it will log out. So this is a simple test. I'm going to do it. So I have to copy each of this, because this is the, and paste it in this file, the same one, and close this. So, and now Control S. So this is the, what is saying, okay. So this is the package I'm importing here, Playwright test, and this is the test block, line number 2 you can see, and add Samsung Galaxy. This one is a module name, and you can give any module name. I'm just giving here this one, and asynchronous is a keyword, page fixture, and after that anonymous function. Here I am providing the page.goto URL. This is the URL of the application which I want to test. And after that, once it will open the application, so I will click on this login. So I will take the element of this login. So there is a ID login 2. So you can see page.click. I have already written this script, so it's very simple. So I will explain you each steps. Like after this application open, and you can see here I clicked on this login. So here I have to capture the or inspect the login button. It's a link, okay. So and you can see here this is a ID of login 2, and if you want, Control F, if you want to check that this is a unique element of this this element, this is a unique locator. So how you can check it? Just CSS and login 2, and you can see 1 of 1. This is, so that means it's a unique locator of this element. So now I'm just putting here page.click, and hyphen means to ID, and login 2. Login 2 is a locator of that element. And after that, once it will click, I have to provide the user and password. So just inspect this user text box. So you can see here click and inspect. So you can see here ID is 2. It's a login, I think. Username, inspect. So you can say here is a username, like ID, login, username. So I have to capture the ID of this element, like this text box, and you can see here the await keyword page dot, and this is a